nature brings tinkling sounds of the wintry choir. It's wintertime, it's the holiday season. Mom and Dad joining in with the fun. Stormy skies can give us no reason. From winter's cold we can hide as we're safe and warm inside. It's wintertime for everyone. La la da 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 da. La da da la da 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 dee da. Nature's kin all ready for winter. From the ice and snow we can hide while it's clear and cold outside. It's winter time for everyone.
Ah, the first snowfall of the winter. It's almost that time of the year again. Sleigh bells and snowmen. Yep, soon it'll be Christmas Day. Which reminds me, about time I went out and cut me down a fine Christmas tree. There's something wonderful about this time of the year. Makes a man feel good about living. Warms him up deep down inside and all over. Oh, jingle bells, all the way.
Who wants to sleep when it's snowy all over everything?
Nakomi, Chinook, are you kids coming to bed?
In a minute, Mom. Look, Chinook, it's Mr. Ranger. Wonder what he's doing out in the snow. Let's go find out. Whoops! Yikes!
Say, this one's perfect. About the right size and height, too. What the? Oh, my!
We're awfully sorry, Mr. Ranger, sir.
What happened?
Well, we kind of got all snowballed up.
Nakomi and Chinook, I might have known. You cubs get into everything, even snowballs. Say, you kids had better get home and start hibernating. You know how your mom is. She can be a real bear when she's angry. I made it funny. Now stand back, kids.
What you gonna do with that axe?
Why, I'm going to cut down this Christmas tree.
What's a Christmas tree? And what's a Christmas?
Oh, Christmas is, well, Christmas is a time for good cheer. Singing carols and exchanging gifts. Everyone is bubbling and happy. People are at their best around Christmas time.
Sounds like fun. How come we never had a Christmas?
Oh, well, I suppose it's because you're bears, and bears hibernate through Christmas. Timber!
What else happens at Christmas, Mr. Ranger?
Oh, lots of wonderful things. Marshmallow roasts, dancing around a warm fireplace, playing games. Well, it's been nice, boys, but you'd better be getting home before your mom misses you.
Chinook, Nakomi, will you please come home? We must get some sleep.
Coming, Mom.
Let's ask her about Christmas. Hey, Mom, wake up. We want to talk to you.
Tell us about Christmas, please. Huh, Mom?
What's a Christmas?
You know, presents and candy.
And lots of goodies.
Well, I really don't think I know much about it.
Aw, come on, Mom. Mr. Ranger told us this was the best time of the year.
Why, of course it is, children. That's when we get our sleep.
Quick, grab her.
It's no use. She's out like a light.
Maybe Mr. Ranger has a Christmas at his house that we can see. Come on.
Let's take the shortcut.
We can cut across the lake. It's frozen over.
Sure, slippery-ish.
Yipe! How do you stop?
Look out!
Come on, Chinook. Mr. Ranger's cabin is just over the hill.
Golly, look. Look what Mr. Ranger did to his tree. It's beautiful.
And he's fixing his cabin up with all kinds of pretty decorations.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Bless my hat band. I just get all choked up at Christmas. Oh, hi, Nakomi and Chinook. Nakomi and Chinook? But they're in hibernation, I think. What on earth are you cubs doing here?
We came to hear all about the Christmas fun everyone has while us bears are sleeping.
Look, the tree, and look at the presents.
Oh, boy, shiny bulbs and sparkly stuff.
Wait, you two. Stay out of my decorations, please.
Yippee! Yahoo! Hooray for Christmas!
Now, kids, try to control yourselves.
Hey, Chinook, look over here. Little white, tasty-looking mushy things. Bet they taste just scrummy.
As a matter of fact, they do. But just one, Chinook.
Me too, Mr. Ranger?
Well, of course. Really, you cubs should be home. Your mother will be worried sick.
But we want to hear all about Christmas.
Yeah, we never had one of them. Tell us about it, Mr. Ranger. Please, huh?
Pretty please with honey on it?
Well, now, wait a minute, kids. Tell you what. If I let you in on the story of Christmas, will you promise to go home?
We promise. Cross our hearts.
Okay, fine. Well, let's see. It all began a very long time ago. Something very wonderful happened. A little child was born to the family of Mary and Joseph in a place called Bethlehem.
Is that in Yellowstone Park?
Oh, no. It's far, far away. Well, anyway, this little child brought a gift to the world of peace on earth and goodwill toward men. And even to this day, people still give presents on this child's birthday, which we call Christmas. And over the years, many legends built up around Christmas.
What kind of legends?
Oh, I guess the most famous one is the story of Santa Claus.
What's a Santa Claus?
Can we eat it?
Oh, no. Here, maybe I can explain it to you more easily with a pencil and paper. First of all, this is where we live. It's called the world.
You mean it's round?
That's right. And at the very top is a place known as the North Pole. And this is where a little old man with a belly that shakes like a bowl full of jelly lives all year long with his 8 reindeer and many, many little helpers called elves.
What do the elves do up there?
Well, it's said they work all year long making toys for Santa Claus to deliver to children all over the world on Christmas Eve.
At the top of the world, in a land white with snow, live a kind of toy people that only children know. Strutting toy soldiers and toy puppy dogs, tiny toy dolls dressed in storybook togs, polka dot ponies and stuffed teddy bears, toy bunny rabbits with long furry ears. They all live together at the northernmost pole, as happy and cheery as old Mary King Cole. Candy-striped monkeys and purring toy tigers, cream-colored camels with toy camel riders, fluffy toy kittens and woolly toy lambs, toy elephants led by the marching toy bands. They're as real and alive as both you and I, the world of toy people seen through children's eyes.
Ho, ho, ho! Up Donder, up Blitzen, up Cupid and Vixen.
And so, with Santa on his way, kids everywhere wait happily for Christmas stockings filled with goodies.
Gee, what a beautiful, pretty story.
Well, you cubs better be getting on home.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Ranger. That was a terrific story.
Good. Now, run along home, kids.
Bye, Mr. Ranger.
Bye. See you next spring. Cute little kids, those two.
Maybe Mom will let us have a Christmas.
She might even let us stay up until Santa Claus comes, if we ask her real nice and sugary.
Hey, look! See what I see, Nakomi?
Oh, boy! A beautiful little Christmas tree!
Wow!
Must be the prettiest one in Yellowstone Park. Come on, let's take it home.
But how? It won't shake loose.
Maybe we can break it up.
Keep tugging, Nakomi. I think it's gonna snap.
Oh, it's too big a tree.
You mean we're too little?
What's a Christmas without a Christmas tree? Hey, wait! Mom could break that tree off in 2 seconds. Come on, Chinook. Hey, Mom!
Yoo-hoo, Mom! Wake up! Hey, Mom, wake up!
Huh? What is it? Avalanche? Forest fire? What?
Can we have a Christmas tree, Mom?
What?
You know, a Christmas tree like Mr. Ranger has?
Listen, children, I hate to be angry, but you should have been asleep weeks ago.
But, Mom, just one teensy little Christmas tree?
Please, Mom.
I'm sorry. It's almost a month past your bedtime already.
Oh.
Oh, all right. But you must promise to remain in the cave for the rest of the winter.
We promise, Mom. We do. Yippee! We're gonna have a tree.
Hooray! We found a beauty just down the slope, Mom.
I'm going. Oh, the problems of motherhood. I've got a feeling it's going to be a long winter.
Well, let's get the old cave ready for our Christmas tree.
And Santa Claus, too. Whoopee!
I guess this is the tree the kids want.
Isn't it a terrific Christmas tree, Mom?
I'm glad you're happy with it, kids. Maybe now we can get some sleep,
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yippee! Hooray for Christmas!
We want Santa Claus.
Now, listen, kids. I don't want to spoil the fun, but this noise simply cannot continue. Just what is all this Christmas stuff all about anyway?
Oh, it's terrific, Mom.
Yeah, a fat, jolly old man in a sled is gonna bring us some presents.
Yeah, and his big old belly shakes like a bowl full of jelly.
And he comes down the chimney and says, ho, ho, ho.
And how did you kids learn all about this?
Mr. Ranger told us.
Oh? He certainly can tell some whoppers.
Oh, no, it's true, Mom.
And no matter what, we're gonna stay up until Christmas Eve.
Oh, dear. And just when is this Christmas Eve?
Well, we don't know.
We sort of forgot to ask.
Great. It could be next July.
We'll go ask Mr. Ranger, okay?
Oh, no, you don't. You cubs wait here. I'll have a talk with that Mr. Ranger. I'll find out all about this Christmas business once and for all.
Do you think Christmas might be in July?
I don't even know when July is.
Yes, 'tis indeed the season to be jolly. Uh-oh. Good heavens. There's a bear at the door. It's old Nana. Wake up, Nana.
What?
Wake up. You're blocking my door, dear. Oh, what are you doing here, anyhow?
Oh, I just can't get any sleep with Nakomi and Chinook all excited over this thing called Christmas. They're determined to stay up until Christmas Eve, whenever that is.
Oh, I see.
But it seems you're the only one who knows when that is. Say, who is Santa Claus with a bowl full of jelly and reindeer and all?
Well, it's all sort of an old legend.
You mean it's not true? Have you been fibbing to my kids?
Why, no, not exactly. I thought you bears would be hibernating.
Now, how can I hibernate with two cubs all excited over a Santa Claus who isn't even real? I don't mind losing a little sleep, but the kids will be so disappointed.
Well, maybe they won't have to be. You know, I used to be an old department store Santa, and I still have my old outfit packed away. Why don't I just show up at your place on Christmas Eve, give a couple of ho-ho-hos, drop off a few goodies, and
the cubs will have seen Santa, and we can all bed down for the winter. Oh, I just hope it works, or those cubs will be awfully sad and unhappy. See you tomorrow night, Mr. Ranger.
Bye, Nana. I'll be there. You know, this might be fun. Ought to be a real nice old-fashioned Christmas.
first sign of brisk sprinkle, all hearts will be jingling through his jolly old rhyme, and the wonder of Christmas time. Oh, for the wonder of Christmas time, the holly wreath season we know. And isn't it fun just pretending you're one of the kids as they play in the snow? There'll be times when you think of this Christmas time, many years from today. And I hope you'll remember this day in December as one that is both yours and mine. 'Cause to me it's a wonder, the wonder of Christmas
Christmas Eve at last. Time for old Santa to make his rounds. Say, I don't look half bad. I don't suppose the real St. Nick would mind me standing in to bring a little Christmas cheer to Yellowstone National Park. Ho, ho, ho! I guess I've got everything, including a couple of stockings full of goodies for Chinook and Nakomi. Those cubs are in for a real treat. Oh, why did tonight have to be the night for our worst blizzard in years?
Mom, what do you suppose Santa will bring you?
Oh, I sort of expect a good winter's rest.
I sure wish Santa would hurry up.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Oh, I'm sure he'll be here soon, kids.
Yeah, we don't want to fall asleep.
Hey, Chinook, wake up! Wake up! Do you want to miss seeing Santa?
Remember, Santa is coming. I hope.
It's no use. I gotta stop before I get snowed in. Ooh, I gotta wait till this snowstorm passes.
Gee, it's getting awful late. Has it stopped snowing, Mom?
Not yet.
Gosh, maybe Santa can't get through.
Chinook, wake up.
Oh, good. There's an old bus stop for summer visitors. At least it's got a roof. Oh, I'll wait out the storm in here. Phew, I'm bushed.
Where is Santa Claus? I can't stay awake much longer.
I'm afraid I'll just have to tell them the sad truth, even if it hurts. Come here, children.
Do you think Santa's coming, Mom?
Shouldn't he have been here?
Well, dears, I'm afraid not. Perhaps it's best you know the truth. Santa is only Mr. Ranger, dressed up in a red suit and wearing a false beard.
You mean there's no real Santa Claus?
No, not exactly. It's sort of just a nice old story that the ranger told. But rather than disappoint you, he decided to dress up like this Santa Claus and visit you tonight. But I guess he can't get through because of the bad storm outside. I'm sorry, kids. I guess Christmas is for people, not bears.
Gee, no Santa?
Besides, well, we're all together in our warm cave. That's sort of nice, isn't it? So let's all go to bed, and we'll talk all about this in the spring. Good night, kids.
Night, Mom.
Night.
Oh, I just wish there was a Santa Claus.
Ho, 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 ho!
Ho, ho, ho!
Ho, 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 ho!
Great. Now he shows up.
Oh, it's only Mr. Ranger dressed up like Santa Claus, and he's just trying to fool us.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night!
He just wanted you to have a nice Christmas, kids.
This is the worst Christmas I ever had.
Even if it is the only one.
Well, it's all over now, kids. Let's try to forget it and get some sleep.
Okay, Mom. Good night.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, little ones, and don't be sad. Sleep away the troubles that you have had. I shut, little ones, it's time for dreams. Through the starlit heavens and silver moonbeams, sleep, oh sleep, little ones. Rest your weary minds. A better day is dawning. Tomorrow you will find. Soft, silent, and deep, drift gently off into sleep. Dreams of peace fresh and new are there waiting for you. Good night, little ones. Good night, little ones.
Oh, dear, it's almost morning. Phew, at last the storm quit. I'd better get up to those bears. I'm way overdue. Oh, I just hope they're still waiting. Anyone home? Santa Claus is here. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! Hey, wake up! It's me, Santa Claus. Remember?
Santa, but you were already here.
I was. I mean, I wasn't. I just got here, and I brought these stockings full of... Huh? Where did those other stockings come from?
Didn't you bring them, Mr. Ranger?
Well, no. I mean, I'm not a ranger. Oh, you know. But how?
Because a real Santa Claus was already here.
Yippee! Hooray!
There is a real Santa Claus.
Why, I suppose there must be.
Oh, boy! And he brought us our Christmas stockings!
Ho, ho, ho! Up, Donner! Up, Blitzen!
Well, what's that? Could it be...
It's him!
Santa Claus!
Look, up in the sky. Why, it is. It is. It's good old Saint Nick and all his reindeer.
Santa! Bye! Merry Christmas!
Isn't Christmas wonderful?
Good night, Mr. Ranger, and thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Good night.
Good night, kids. Night, Nana.
See you in the spring.
Say, do you believe in Santa Claus? I sure do.